Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in the USA. Today's location we find in Chickasaw. We are flying over the William Brooks Park today. Welcome to Chickasaw, Alabama, where we're flying over William Brooks Park today. Located at 601 US 43, this serene park along Chickasaw Creek offers a peaceful retreat just 10 minutes from Mobile. Part of the Ron Jones Paddle Trail, a 2-mile stretch of the Alabama Scenic River Trail, it's perfect for kayaking or canoeing, with a free boat launch pass available at Chickasaw City Hall. The park features a marina, a 450-foot boardwalk, and a bird observation tower, ideal for spotting migrants like clapper rails in spring and fall. Visitors often see manatees, dolphins, and even alligators in the creek, though some warn about aggressive pelicans. With 4.5 stars from 167 reviews, folks love the picnic areas and natural beauty, but note the restrooms are often closed, porta potties are available. The park's wetlands and trails make it a family-friendly spot, just a short drive from the Cochran-Africatown, USA Bridge. Whether you're fishing, birdwatching, or paddling, William Brooks Park is a hidden gem on the Alabama Coastal Birding Trail. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.